Ever wondered how to instantly find someone's salary in Excel using just their ID, name, or even department? Today, I'll show you how to do it in multiple ways using one powerful formula, VLOOKUP. And by the end, you'll even learn a bonus trick with if error to make your sheet look clean and professional. Let's get started. Let's start with employee ID. I'll type the ID of the first employee in cell C20. In cell D20, I want Excel to show the salary. So in D20, I will write formula. Here's what each part means. C20, the ID I'm looking for, B3 to F17, the entire data table. 5 is the fifth column in the table, which contains the salary. And false tells Excel to find an exact match. When I press enter, boom, the salary appears instantly. Let's try one more example with another ID. Excel finds it perfectly again. Now, let's do the same thing using employee names. This time, we'll use column C for lookup. In cell C20, I'll type the employee's name, and in D20, the formula changes a little. C20, the ID I'm looking for. C3 to F17, the entire data table. 4, the fifth column in the table, which contains the salary. And false tells Excel to find an exact match. This tells Excel to look for the name in column C and return the salary from the fourth column of this range. Just like that, Excel finds the right salary using the name. If we try another name, it updates automatically. No scrolling or searching needed. Next, let's find salaries using addresses. I'll select column D as the lookup column now. In cell C20, I'll type an address. For example, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. And in D20, the formula becomes VLOOKUP C20, data range D3 to F17, 3, false. Excel now looks into the address column and gives the corresponding salary. If I type another address, the salary changes accordingly. Simple and fast. Now let's use the department column. Suppose column E contains departments like HR, IT, and finance. If I want to find the salary for a department, I'll type the formula in which C20, the address I'm looking for, E3 to F17, the target data table, 2, the salary column, and false, tells Excel to find an exact match. Now Excel matches the department and shows the salary. Keep in mind, if multiple people work in the same department, VLOOKUP will show the first match it finds. That's still super useful when your data is sorted department-wise. Sometimes you'll type an address or name that doesn't exist in your list. Normally, Excel shows a nasty NA error. Let's fix that with IF error. I'll edit my formula to this if error C20E3 to F17 2, false 0. Now, if the address is not found, Excel will simply show 0 instead of NA. You can also replace 0 with a custom message, like not found. This makes your Excel sheet look cleaner and more professional. Now let's try something interesting. I'll move the salary column to the left of the ID column. If I try the same VLOOKUP formula again, it won't work. Why? Because VLOOKUP only searches to the right of the lookup column. It can't look to the left. That's one of its biggest limitations. So what can we do? Rearrange your table so that the lookup column, like ID, is always the first one. So there you have it. We used VLOOKUP to find salaries using ID, name, address, and department, learned to handle errors with IF error, and even saw what happens when your column order changes. VLOOKUP may look simple, but it's one of Excel's most powerful time-saving tools.